So ayan na guys, parating na kami. So yan lang, oh. So tawid lang konti. Thank you. Gusto mo magkape? Meron din dito. Pick up coffee. So ito yung exit. So yan, part pa rin ng GY Square Mall. May McDonald's, Dunkin'. So sa loob nandyan yung tabliya. May ano din dyan, Dingkwakwa. See? They have a grooming.
Yeah.
May clinic din kayo, no?
Wala na sir. Grooming lang sir.
Grooming lang kayo?
Yes sir.
So kung kailangan namin ng ano, magpagamot sa aso or something surgery,
Sa
meron kayong
branch-
ma-recommend?
Main branch po namin, Animal Kingdom.
Ah.
Yes, sir.
So yun. Cute. So grooming area.
Should have brought him here this morning, George.
So includes up grooming, huh?
Yeah. Might bring him Monday before Laura gets home, so he's nice and clean.
So your
Small breed.
Rocco is
Medium
belonging
breed.
small breed.
No, medium. He's 8
medium.
kilos. 8 kilos.
1,000 peso.
Yeah.
Everything, huh?
Yeah. Bath, blow dry, nail clip, ear clean,
Yeah.
trim. Yeah.
That's good.
Yeah.
Salamat kaya.
Sige sir.
ATM is here.
Money changer.
Oh, money changer is there.
Okay, have a look.
Check also. So ito yung loob ng GY Square Mall. So may McDonald's, tapos doon hanggang baba yun, tapos nandun yung tabliya, Dunkin Donuts, nandun sa barbershop, and then doon sa baba yung Watson, tapos Santino, Torts, K-Bear, tsaka yung ano, Dingkwakwa, famous talaga siya dito sa ano, dumpling house. Tapos Bella Salon at Palawan, dito Sinker. So, maliit siya pero maraming ano, maraming shop na ano, yung mga needs mo nandito na rin lahat. Tapos yung supermarket is nasa labas. Yun lang. Tapos yung sa taas, yung paakit ka doon, ano yung residence dito.